Welcome to the National Science and Math Quiz. This is the fourth quarter-final contest featuring Accra Academy, Akwamuman Senior High School, and Kumasi High School. On my far left is Kumasi High School, represented by
Amwa Godfrey, third year.
Ibrahim Ahmed Salim, final year.
You are very welcome, gentlemen. Your message, please.
As our anthem stipulates, our vision is to conquer and never be conquered. God willing, today we are here to conquer.
All right. Next is Akwamuman Senior High School, represented by
Gani Kofi Michael, final year.
Deborah Asari Lord, final year.
You are very welcome, gentlemen. The gentlemen do not want to be disturbed. Silence is golden. Next is Accra Academy, represented by
Asante Alexander, third year.
Ashankate Sylvester, fourth year.
You are very welcome, gentlemen. Your message, please.
We lean on God.
All right. I'll now move to my seat so that we can begin. Contestants, this contest comes to you in 4 rounds. The first round is a round for fundamental concepts. The questions are simple and direct. I'm expecting simple and direct answers. If you answer your question correctly, 3 points. If not, it's passed on for a bonus. The two remaining schools will ring for the bonus. Once the school rings for a bonus, they are compelled to answer. A wrongly answered bonus question fetches a penalty point. Let's start with Accra Academy. A tennis ball is dropped from a known height S and hits the ground. Give a formula that can be used to determine the velocity of the ball just before it hits the ground. Yes, Sylvester.
V is equal to square root of 2jr, where G is the force of gravity and R and the R is the height. The H is the height.
2 out of 3. Yes, G is equal to square root of 2gs. But please, G is not the force of gravity. G is acceleration due to gravity. Akwamuman, you have 10 seconds to answer this question. What is the depth of field of a pinhole camera? Deborah.
A pinhole camera has a finite depth of field. A finite. Infinity.
Sylvester.
The pinhole has an infinite depth of... Infinite depth.
Yes, infinite. Infinite. Master High, your question to be answered in 10 seconds. Where exactly is the near point of the normal human eye? Salim.
25 centimeters from the eye.
Yes. Preamble to all schools. Determine the next two terms of the given sequence. Accra Academy, your sequence. 1, 2, 6, 24, and so on. Sylvester.
120 and 720.
That's right. With the same preamble, Akwamuman, your sequence. 3, 4, 7, 11, 18, and so on. Yes, Michael.
27 and 36.
That's incorrect for bonus. Salim.
27 and 38.
No. The right answer is 29 and 47. Your major question, Kumasi High School. Your sequence. 19, 15, 11, 7, and so on. Yes, Godfred.
You have 3 and minus 1.
Yes. In 10 seconds, Accra Academy. How many subshells are present in the third energy level of an atom? Asante?
27.
No. Godfred?
18.
No. 3 subshells. Akwamuman, how many orbitals are present in the D subshell? Yes, Michael.
5.
5. Master High. How many electrons are present in a fully filled third energy shell? Godfred?
6.
That's incorrect. Yes, Michael.
18.
18. In 10 seconds. Accra Academy. What name is given to the Linnaeus two-word system of naming organisms? Yes, Asante.
Binomial nomenclature.
That's right. Akwamuman, name the level that identifies one unique organism in the Linnaean system of classification. Yes, Deborah.
Species.
Species. Master High, fill in the blank. Under the Linnaean system of classification, plants and animals are sorted into groups based on blank. Godfred?
Their genus and their species.
No, that's incorrect. Yes, Michael?
Similar physical and behavioral characteristics.
Okay. 30 seconds. Accra Academy. What is the optical power of a 10 centimeter focal length convergent lens? Yes, Asante?
10 diopter.
Yes. Akwamuman, a tennis ball dropped from a known height S hits the ground and rebounds to a height H. Give a formula that can be used to determine the height H. Yes, Michael.
The formula is v squared minus u squared all over 2g. Wait.
I'm not accepting that for bonus. The right answer is h is equal to u squared over 2g, where u is the velocity just after rebound, g is acceleration due to gravity. Kumasi High School. What is the optical power of a 50 centimeter focal length convergent lens? Yes, Godfred?
2 diopter.
All right. to all schools. Consider the following statements. P. All students with malaria stay in the sick bay. Q. Students in the sick bay do not do homework. Now determine if the following statement, which I will give you, is a valid deduction from the statements P and Q. Accra Academy. John does not have malaria, so he does his homework. Yes, Sylvester.
It is not valid.
Okay. Akwamuman. Janet has done her homework, so she does not stay in the sick bay. Yes, Michael.
It's valid.
Yes. Master High. Peter does not have malaria, so he does not stay in the sick bay. Salim.
It's invalid.
Invalid. Next set of questions are not transferable, no bonus. Your question, Accra Academy, please, in 10 seconds. Does tin metal react with dilute HCl? Asante.
It reacts.
Yes. Akwamuman. Tin reacts with dilute HCl. Is the reaction fast or slow? Michael.
It's fast.
No, it's slow. Kumasi High. Aluminium reacts with hydrochloric acid. For the best results, should one use dilute or moderately concentrated or very concentrated acid? Salim.
Moderately concentrated.
Yes. In 10 seconds, Accra Academy. What name is given to the reciprocal exchange of corresponding segments of DNA? Sylvester.
Translation.
That's incorrect for bonus. The right answer is crossing over. Akwamuman, 10 seconds. What name is given to the sequence of events that occur in the cell from one mitotic division to the next? For bonus. Sylvester.
Interface.
No. The right answer is cell cycle. Kumasi High, 10 seconds. What name is given to any chromosome other than the sex chromosome? Salim.
A somatic chromosome.
No. Michael.
Autosome.
All right. Academy. Where is the far point of the normal human eye? Sylvester.
Infinity.
Infinity. Akwamuman, in 30 seconds. What is the optical power of a 10 centimeter focal length divergent lens? Yes, Deborah.
Negative 10 diopter.
That's right. Master High, 10 seconds. A tennis ball dropped from a known height S hits the ground and rebounds to a height H. Why is S greater than H? Salim.
S is greater than H because when you drop the ball at that height, S, it has a certain amount of energy. When it hits, part of the energy it has is converted to other forms of energy, such as sound and heat. So therefore, it cannot rebound to that same height that you dropped it from.
It's true. But you could have given me a much simpler answer. The impact is not perfectly elastic. Preamble to all schools. I will give you a number. Please express the number as the difference of two squares. Accra Academy, your number is 96. Kumasi High, Salim.
25 squared minus 4 squared.
No. The right answer, multiples. 10 squared minus 2 squared. 11 squared minus 5 squared. 14 squared minus 10 squared. Or 25 squared minus 23 squared. Any of them would have been fine. With the same preamble, Akwamuman, your number is 48. Yes, Michael.
7 squared. 7 squared minus 1 squared.
Yes. Again, there were other options. Kumasi High, with the same preamble, your number is 64. For bonus. Yes, Michael.
10 squared minus 6 squared.
That's right. Accra Academy, in 10 seconds. Ethanol is not acidic, yet beer is acidic. Why? Sylvester.
Beer is fermented ethanol, so therefore it is converted into ethanoic acid. That makes the beer acidic.
No. For bonus. Beer contains CO2, which is a byproduct of fermentation. Akwamuman, what is the organic substance in vinegar? Yes, Michael.
Ethanoic acid.
Ethanoic acid. Kumasi High, name any 2 products obtained from distillation of crude petroleum at the Tema oil refinery. Yes, Salim.
Diesel and kerosene.
Diesel and kerosene, yes. There are other products as well. Liquefied gas, petrol, aviation fuel. All those are possible. That is if Tema oil refinery is working. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate words or phrases. Accra Academy. An object moved quickly towards the face of an individual causes the eyes to blink. This is an example of blank. Sylvester.
Cranial reflex action. Cranial reflex action.
2 out of 3. Simple reflex action right from the cranial. Akwamuman, for the body to maintain homeostasis, the chemical decomposition of food should be followed by blank. Yes, Deborah.
Release of heat in the form of energy.
No, for bonus. Yes, Salim.
Absorption.
No. The right answer is waste removal. Removal of waste. Kumasi, the respiratory system depends on the central nervous system for signals to blank. For a bonus. Coordinate muscles that control breathing. All right, for the next set of questions, you need to give me your answer in 10 seconds. And I have a preamble. After separate experiments to determine the acceleration due to gravity, Ayele reported 8.69 meters per second squared, and Ramatu reported 9.8 meters per second squared. Now your questions, which are not transferable for bonus. Accra Academy, which result is most precise? Yes, Asante.
None of them, because acceleration due to gravity varies on like different points on the Earth's surface.
No. Unfortunately, I'm not giving any bonus for this. The right answer is 8.69 meter per second squared. Ayele's answer. Your own question, also not transferable. What is the precision of Ayele's result? Yes, Deborah.
This is due to the rotation of the Earth and then the Earth not being a perfect sphere.
No. The right answer is 0.01 meter per second squared. That's the precision. Kumasi, which result is most accurate? Yes, Salim.
The 9.8 meters per second squared.
That's right. Find the quotient and the remainder r when the quadratic is divided by the linear term. So I will give you a quadratic and a linear term. Find the quotient and the remainder r. Accra Academy. 2x squared minus 3x plus 5 divided by x minus 2. Sylvester.
The quotient is 2x plus 1 and the remainder is 6. 7.
2 out of 3. You have one attempt. The quotient is 2x plus 1. The remainder is 7. Akwamuman, with the same preamble. 3x squared plus 3x minus 5 divided by x minus 1. Michael.
The quotient is 3x plus 9, and then the remainder is 4.
That's incorrect. Sylvester.
The quotient is 3x plus 6 and the remainder is 1.
Yes. Master High, with the same preamble. 4x squared minus 6x plus 5 divided by 2x minus 1. Salim.
The quotient is 2x minus 2. 2x minus 2. And then the remainder is 3.
Yes. Next set of questions to be answered in 30 seconds. Accra Academy. What is the percentage oxygen in 3-hexanone? Atomic mass for oxygen is 16.0. Carbon 12.0, hydrogen 1.0. Sylvester.
25%.
That's incorrect. Salim.
16%.
16%. Akwamuman, what is the percentage hydrogen in 1 hexanol? You may give your answer to one place of decimal. Atomic mass of oxygen 16.0, carbon 12.0, hydrogen 1.0. Michael.
It's 14.1%.
That's incorrect. For bonus. The right answer is 13.7%. Kumasi High. What is the percentage nitrogen in butylamine? You may give your answer to one place of decimal. Atomic mass, nitrogen is 14.0, carbon 12.0, hydrogen 1.0. For bonus, the right answer is 19.2. Last set of questions for the round. In 10 seconds, Accra Academy. What name is given to the space inside the inner membrane of the chloroplast? For bonus, yes, Kumasi High, Salim.
Stroma.
Stroma. Akwamuman, the major atmospheric byproduct of photosynthesis is blank. For bonus, Salim.
Oxygen.
Oxygen. Kumasi High, your own question, last one for the round. Name the source of oxygen produced during photosynthesis. Yes, Salim.
Photolysis of water.
2 out of 3. It comes from water. I don't ask you for the process. Just the source. What is it? That's the end of the first round.
Faster. Stronger. Brighter. Empower yourself with Vitamilk, a delicious and healthy soy milk. Vitamilk, now available in UHT pack.
Vitamilk, happy milk for everyone.
At the end of the first round, Akwamuman Senior High School has 22 points. Accra Academy has 25 points. Kumasi High School has 28 points. In this round, I'll present you with the problem of the day. It's a single problem which should take 3 minutes to solve. At the end of the period, I will expect a single answer from your school. The problem of the day is worth 10 points. Let's turn over our sheets and read the problem of the day together. Problem of the day. A certain crop plant can reproduce both sexually and asexually. When a farmer was given the chance to select one of the methods of reproduction, he opted for asexual reproduction. State the advantages of the farmer's choice. This is your problem of the day. You may begin. The contestants have presented their answers. Please come and pick them up and present them on the boards. The contestants have put their answers on the boards. Before we award the marks, let's look at the ideal solution from our consultants. This is a problem in biology involving a farmer who has chosen to propagate his plants by using asexual reproduction. And we need the advantages of this choice. Please remember, this is a biology problem, so the biology must be present. You can answer with terms like cheaper, whatever, some advantage, less costly, and so on to the farmer, but that is not what we are looking for. We are looking for 5 main things related to biology. First, growth in the young plant is rapid because unlike seed plants, there is no resting period. Second, only one parent is needed to produce the offspring. Third, the desirable characteristics of the parent plant are retained since the offspring are identical to the parent. Fourth, the offspring mature more rapidly than plants which form seeds and are less susceptible to adverse conditions. Finally, the young plant uses the food reserve of the parent plant as it becomes established. This is the ideal solution from our consultants. Obviously, each point is worth 2. Now the contestants. Kumasi High School gave us a lot of interesting things which are true, but really not substantial when it comes to the biology that we were looking for. They do mention, though, that the desirable characteristics of the parents will be retained. That's what they have there. And then the other useful things really don't help us much. I'll add 1 to that. So that makes 3 out of 10. Akwamuman Senior High School. The first 4 points are present. The only point which is missing from you is the young plant uses the food reserve of the parent as it becomes established. And so you have 8 out of 10. Accra Academy did not have any trouble at all with this problem. And I am happy to award a perfect score. That's the end of the problem of the day and the end of round 2. Round 3. In this round, I'm going to be giving your school statements. Please let me know whether your statement is true or false. If you are right, 2 points. If it's incorrect, you lose a precious point. You may choose not to answer, in which case that statement becomes available to the 2 other schools to ring for. Once a school rings for such a statement, they are compelled to respond, because no response at that stage means a wrong answer, which fetches a penalty point. Best wishes. We'll start with you, Akwamuman, your statement. Temperature is a form of heat transfer. Deborah?
False.
False. Heat transfer by radiation can occur in vacuum. Yes, Salim?
It's true.
Yes. Accra Academy. Heat transfer by conduction only occurs in liquids. Asante?
It's false.
It's false. The upthrust on a body in a fluid equals the weight of the fluid. Michael?
It's true.
No, Michael. Kumasi High School. An object weighs more when immersed in a dense liquid than when in air. Salim?
It's false.
It's false. Accra Academy. A body floating in a fluid displaces its own weight of the fluid. Yes, Sylvester?
It's true.
It's true. Akwamuman, the equation x minus 3 all squared is equal to 4 is equivalent to the equation x minus 3 is equal to 2. Yes, Deborah?
True.
No. Kumasi. Every quadratic equation can be solved by factorization. Salim?
It's false.
It's false. A quadratic equation may have only one real solution. Sylvester?
It's true.
True. Akwamuman, tangent of negative x is equal to tangent of x. Yes, Michael.
It's false.
It's false. Kumasi, sine of 90 degrees minus x is equal to cosine of x. Salim.
It's true.
Yes. Cosine of negative x is equal to cosine of x. Asante.
It's true.
Yes. Akwamuman, glycolysis can occur with or without oxygen. Yes, Deborah.
True.
True. Kumasi, glycolysis is the first step in both aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Yes, Salim.
It's true.
Yes. Glycolysis occurs in the mitochondria. Sylvester.
It's false.
False. Secondary growth of stems and roots is brought about by apical meristems. Yes, Deborah.
False.
False. Secondary growth is common in both monocots and dicots. Yes, Salim.
False.
False. Secondary growth produces only xylem and phloem. Sylvester.
It's false.
It's false. Brass is an alloy of copper and zinc. Yes, Michael.
It's true.
Yes. Kumasi, bronze is also an alloy of copper and tin. Yes, Salim.
It's true.
Yes, it's true. Both brass and bronze are more resistant to corrosion than pure copper. Asante.
It's true.
It's true. Last set of statements. Last set. Akwamuman, bauxite is hydrated aluminium oxide. Yes, Deborah.
It's false.
No, Deborah. In the manufacture of steel, magnesium is added to enhance its hardness and strength. Salim.
It's false.
It's false. Last statement. Canned foods are also called tinned foods because the containers are made from tin metal plated with aluminium metal. Asante.
It's false.
It's false. That's the end of the third round. At the end of the third round, Akwamuman Senior High School has 37 points. Kumasi High School has 47 points. Accra Academy has 51 points. Final round. In this round, I'm going to be reading out clues. The idea is for you to solve the riddle. If you solve the riddle on the first clue, 5 points. If you solve the riddle on the second clue, 4 points. If you solve the riddle on the third or any clue after that, 3 points. In order to solve the riddle, you ring for it. May I hear your bell, Kumasi High School? Thank you. Yours, Akwamuman. Thank you. And yours, Accra Academy. Thank you. Once you ring, you must have an answer. There are 4 riddles. The first one. I am a spontaneous transformation. Some scientists would describe me as mother-to-daughter transformation. The biologists would regard part of me. Kumasi High School.
Fission. Nuclear.
That's incorrect. I continue for your benefit. The biologists would regard part of me as an unfortunate and avoidable process. This mother-to-daughter transformation involves a loss of 4 mass units and 2 units of charge. Accra Academy.
Alpha emission.
No, I can't accept it. We continue for you. No matter the mother population and where and when I occur, it takes the same time for 50% of the mothers to produce daughters. The particles ejected from the mother's womb have very weak penetrating ability. So what am I? Yes, Deborah.
Alpha decay.
Alpha decay. I read all my clues. 3 points. Next riddle. You may refer to me as a form of defense against predators. Many types of me have been described in biology. My name is derived from a Greek term which means imitative. In evolutionary biology, I am used to describe the similarity of one species to another which protects one or both. This similarity can be in appearance, behavior, sound, scent, or location. I normally occur when a group of organisms known as the mimics evolve to share common perceived characteristics. Yes, Michael.
Convergent evolution.
No. Accra Academy.
Mimicry.
Mimicry. I was reading the 6th and last clue, 3 points. I am a law of nature. I am named after a French physicist. This physicist's work with me was preceded by the work of Cavendish. I described the interaction between stationary electric charges. Akwamuman.
Coulomb's law.
Coulomb's law. That was the 4th clue, 3 points. Last riddle. We are like twins, but definitely non-identical. With that sibling rivalry is at its worst as we tend to undo each other. We are two processes in calculus. Akwamuman, Deborah.
Differentiation and integration.
That's right. They solved the riddle on the 3rd clue, 3 points. That's the end of the 4th round. At the end of the contest, here are the final scores. Akwamuman Senior High School has 46 points. Kumasi High School has 47 points. Accra Academy has 54 points. Akwamuman Senior High School and Kumasi High School, thank you for giving us a good contest. Unfortunately, I have to say goodbye. Best wishes. Accra Academy, congratulations on winning the contest. I shall look forward to seeing you in the semi-finals. All the best. Viewers, we've had another good quarter-final contest. Please join us next time when we bring you Infant Sipim School, Holy Child School, and St. Thomas Aquinas Senior High School to compete for one place in the semi-finals. It's going to be a good one. Thanks for joining us today and see you next time. Bye.